Everybody calm down, calm down. I'm sick. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah, I'm sick, so my voice will sound a bit weird in this video. Today's video is a little different. So, Elastico, we've challenged each other to use the switches we hate the most for a week. Here are the rules. We have to use the same switch type for the entire week. We can change switches as long as they're from the same switch type, and we can change keyboards as long as we're using the same type of switch.
Okay, sounds good to me. Let's start this challenge.
Alright, so good luck! Thank you for that horrible explanation, Amir. Basically, if you hate clicky switches, you'll use clicky switches in this challenge. For example, if you're using Otemu Blues, fucking ew, you can switch to Box Jades. Also fucking ew. Alright, explanation over. Now have fun watching me go through the 5 stages of grief. Now, Elastico, he's a rare type of specimen. You see, he likes clickies. I don't know what kind of mutation he has that allows him to do such a thing, but he challenged me to find out. And if you guys know anything about me, it's that I absolutely hate clickies. But that's not it. I want to fix Elastico. I want to make him love linears. I want to convert him. So while I suffer and use horrible clickies, he has to use buttery smooth linears. So the first thing I did after the call was reluctantly put the horrible switches in my keyboard. And well, let's just say it didn't go too smoothly.
Alright, time to do this. Okay, so unluckily, I don't have enough blue switches for the entire keyboard. So for the top row, I'm gonna use something much worse. Man, the challenge hasn't even begun and I already want to type on another keyboard. What is this? Why am I doing this to myself? Oh my god. Yeah, F for fuck. Alright, let the fuckery begin. Oh, I hate it. I hate it so much. Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh, I can't use that. I'm gonna be real with you. 100%. I'm gonna keep it $1.50. I don't think I can use this for a week.
That's better. The plan was to use the Otemu Blues for the beginning half of the week and the Box Jades for the other half of the week. When I first started typing, I was making mistakes left and right, and I couldn't get used to the horrible high-pitched sound of these switches. It felt like a banshee scream going through my ears every time I clicked one of these switches. As the days went by, I found myself using my keyboard less and less, and filming my reactions less and less because it was just more of the same. There was nothing to say.
It's the middle of the second day, and I don't think I can use my keyboard anymore. I need a different keyboard. I can't keep using these clickies. I'm getting used to the sound and the feeling, but it's just overall just a miserable experience. I don't want to do it anymore.
Now it's time for the Box Jades, but I'm feeling a bit claustrophobic and bored, so come with me.
Water.
Well, we only serve paying customers, so you'll have to order more than water. If you're broke, go somewhere else.
50 dumplings. Is it a deal?
Huh?
You feed me, and I'll take care of those guys for you.
The switch is broken. Oh, there we go.
Shut the fuck up! Hey! Hey! Hey, that worked. Shut. What the hell kind of series of events did I do in my life that made me come to the park to put clicky switches in a goddamn keyboard? I was just thinking about that. What? I want to kill myself. Alright, let's get out of here before I have an aneurysm. After I put these switches in my keyboard, the pain went from about a 5 out of 10 to like nightmare mode out of 10. The sound was just so horrible and uncomfortable, I didn't think I could keep going. And if I'm gonna tell you the truth, in the last couple days I didn't even use my keyboard. What I will say though, the Box J's feel better than the Otemu Blues, but their loud sound is just way too much for me.
Yes, I do put on the hoodie every time I come to film. But anyway, since I've started using the Box J's, I changed my headphones from these normal headphones to these Razer noise cancelling headphones because I can't stand them. I can't stand them. They do feel good though. They're a pretty smooth switch and I do like the big thick click in the middle, but I hate the sound. So, you know, I'm just using noise cancelling headphones and hoping this will pass. I have one more day to go, so I'm hoping this will be fine. I've barely even used my keyboard in the past couple of days. That's how bad it's been. So yeah.
And finally, the week was up. It's time to talk to Elastico. Okay, so it's been a full week now since we started using our switches. How do you feel about the linears?
Actually, not gonna lie, I really thought it's gonna be like very painful for me, but it's actually a lot better than I thought it would be. It's a little too light for my liking, but it started to grow on me in like day 5 and 6, and yeah, kind of started to like it. But I was still like clickies more than linears though, so yeah, it was quite a bit of an experience. How about you? What do you think about the clickies?
Well, you know, the first couple of days I hated them, but after a week of use, I really started to enjoy using the clickies, and I realized that the hate for those switches comes from a clicky misconception. Yeah, okay, bud.
What? You really thought I would like using the clickies? What's wrong with you? Hit me.
That's the only one left.
Fuck clickies.
That's enough of the cardboard, I guess. Well, it is destructible in the end. I didn't know. Phew. Another honest day of work. What? The cardboard? That's fine. I had to use it anyway. It was just collecting dust on my shelf. Come on. I wasn't gonna throw the tofu. I wasn't. Really, I wasn't. Okay. We're good? Alright, cool. Anyway, instead of asking everyone to subscribe today, I actually just want to thank all of my subs. The amazing people who hit that big red button under my videos and continue to support me. It really pushes me to make cool content, and I really want to thank you for allowing me to do what I like doing. So, thank you very much. And if you're not subscribed and want to join the gang, you know, we're almost at 300. You can join. You can be the 300 sub. Yeah, call to action. Yeah. I'm kidding. Thank you all, genuinely. And I'd love to see you in the next video. Oh, also, I'm gonna be gone for a little while, maybe like a month or two. I have exams, so I'm just gonna finish that and I'll be back big time, I promise. So yeah, thank you all for letting me do what I like doing, and goodbye.